Let me, Big Mike, be your own personal tour guide to Route 66 and beyond. Today's video is a tour of historic town of Tucumcari, New Mexico on historic Route 66. Watch this video to help you plan your next vacation and learn helpful tips to see the places you really want to visit. Even if you don't have time to travel yet, let me take you on a virtual vacation on what was once US Highway 66. As an experienced road tripper on the Mother Road and someone who owns a business on Route 66, I can offer you a unique perspective and give you fun ideas for your next road trip and tell you about locations that make fun day trips from Tucumcari. If you stay till the end of this video, I'm even going to take you on what I call a little Route 66 detour to Salinas Pueblo Missions National Monument. These were old Spanish missions built in the early 1600s. So buckle up, roll down the window, crank the tunes, and remember, it's road trip time! Alright, well, to start off our tour today in Tucumcari, New Mexico, we are making a stop at Mother Road Memory Iron. What's really fun about this place is they have a really cool collection of all sorts of antique and classic cars and trucks, and they let you take a look around the yard. You can take photos. It's just a nice, enjoyable time, and as you can tell, I love the old cars and trucks. You have to remember, Route 66, the old cars and trucks, they are the history of the Mother Road. These are the cars and trucks that people were driving everyday life on the farm, the ranch, when they're going on their road trips. And it's just kind of exciting to see these in person. And this is why I wanted to make this the first stop on this trip. So, like I said, bring your camera, take some photos, and it's just kind of a nice, relaxing, enjoyable first part. Just to kind of walk around and see what's here and just enjoy the moment. I mean, Tucumcari is all about just taking a step back in time and reliving what old US Highway 66 was all about. Dell's Restaurant is highly recommended by locals and travelers. It is an amazing place to eat. It was established in 1956 by Dell Atkins. Now we're passing by the Apache Motel. You'll see a couple other hotels here. Motels. This is La Cita Restaurant. Excellent place to eat for New Mexican food, and oh, the sopapillas with honey, I love those. This is the Route 66 Monument. Definitely a great stop for taking a photo. And our next stop, this is the Tucumcari Trading Post. My buddy Chad owns this one. It's a great place to take some photographs and stuff. I don't really know if they're currently open or not. I don't believe so, but check in, that can always be changing. And then this we're looking at right now is Gar, and he has the Tepee Curios, which is a great location. I didn't get videos inside the store, but they've got so much really cool stuff in there. A lot of Route 66 memorabilia. I mean, just all sorts of fun stuff. License plates, just a whole mix. Gonna love that old truck there. He's got the shaman in the back. It's pretty cool. This is one of the road stops. This has been a tradition on US 66 for a while here. So I just kind of hope you enjoy it. And the other thing to see is that these things light up at night. The neons are amazing in this town. So definitely, if you get a chance at night. This is the Buckaroo Motel. Got a cool sign there. It's one of the closed gas stations, an old Esso station. But you know, one of the nice things that I really like what Tucumcari does is even stuff that's closed, they go ahead and put stuff in front of it and bring back the memories. They don't just let it all go. Now this is the Blue Swallow Motel. I've stayed there. It's a fantastic place. I think it was just amazing. A nice place. Good folks down there. And a lot of good place to take photos, and also the neon at night here is really spectacular too. Now Clint Eastwood stayed in that place right there. At least that's what the sign says. And we're just driving now, seeing a few of the different hotels. This place, there's an oil standard gas station. The Tucumcari was actually established, I believe, in 1901. Well, actually 1902, that's when the railroad finally came in. But it was a railroad town. And here's the Ranch House Cafe. And this is an example of what they do to keep the spirit of Route 66 alive. I mean, you know, this is closed down, but you have the old Chevy truck out front. You have the great sign. And I really just have to commend the people up here in Tucumcari for, you know, just really promoting it. Now, this is what I promised you, the Quarai ruins. This is from the early 1700s, I think 1600s. It's beautiful. It's 30 foot tall. And I'm just going to hush and just let you enjoy this.
This is huge. It's got to be 25, 30 foot walls up top. Holy cow. I mean, look at this from here. This is at my head level, so this is starting at 6 foot. It's crazy. To think these trees probably weren't even here. Oh, now look at this on the corners. Really handy. The view you can get just doing it like this. Yeah. Look at that wood, hand hewn. Look closely, you'll still see the axe marks from when they cut this. Yeah, I don't think we're going to have much around 400 years from now of stuff we build nowadays.